So I got these Techmele plastic hangers. They come really packaged well where they will not break. So I love the packaging. I love the size. They're thin, so they're great space savers. And I also love the feature of the non-slip features right over there so that I can hang my clothes well. So I can use this to hang up my clothes that have spaghetti straps and they're not going to fall off whenever I hang them. So you do have those hooks there. You also have it whereby I could also hang pens, and the non-slide feature will allow it not to fall out and stuff. So I do like that aspect of it. I also like that when I hang up my camisoles, my tank tops, I can secure them and they won't be wobbly at all. So you can see how durable it is. I absolutely love that aspect of it. It's not going to fall off at all. The hook can turn, it swirls and it can turn around. And I can even hang my husband's tie and they're not going to slip off. One of my favorite thing is this S-slide design that allows me to hang up the shirts so that they would not be all rumpled up. I can even put my pajama bottoms on there and still hang up my top without stretching out the neck. So you see how easily it hangs up. I love, love, love all these little pieces and little features that this hanger has. This hanger has so many features. It looks beautiful. So you can use the different features like the swivel hook, the S-slide slit, the accessory hooks, the ranges, non-slip edges. I love that this hanger can handle up to 11 pounds of clothing. That is so amazing. So this is a great additional to my closet and my wardrobe. So you can always get the 50 pack also to get all your wardrobe filled up.